So, Jesse, you've become quite the model employee.
We're actually thinking about promoting you.
Really?
There's only one problem. We need another Jesse.
So, have you ever sold cars before?
Can I sell cars? Hey pal, I can sell sand to the desert, can I sell cars?
Never sold cars, but I did make license plates once.
I've never sold cars before, but I have sold hogs for a living.
Next!
So, have you ever sold cars before?
Not really sure how to sell a car, but I am a fast learner. Oh, and I know that since 1997, A1 Toyota has been a one-price, no-haggle store with a wealth of benefits, including oil changes, key replacements, and much, much more.
You're hired.
Hey, she stole my line.
A1 Toyota.